Hi guys, it's me, Alex Bidigasa, second year college student. Okay, ang topic natin ngayong araw ay inheritance. So ano nga bang inheritance na? Inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming or OOP that allows a class o yung tinatawag nating child class to inherit attributes and methods from another class or yung parent class. Diba, yung mga parents natin, minsan meron silang mga pinapamana o binibigay sa ating mga gamit or kung ano mang bagay. So, that's inheritance. So, a parent class, this is the base class from which other classes inherit. It contains attributes and methods that the child class can reuse. So, nagagamit ng child class yung mga attributes and methods na meron ang parent class. The next one, child class. This is the derived class that inherits from the parent class. Syntax for inheritance is child class, parent class. Child class automatically gets all attributes and methods of the parent class unless overridden. Okay guys, alam na natin kung paano sila gumagana. The next, why do we need inheritance? Okay, so first, promotes code reusability by sharing attributes and methods across classes. So, tama nga naman, nagagamit, nare-reuse natin yung mga attributes and methods. The next one, models real-world hierarchies like animal to dog, or person to employee, and simplifies maintenance through centralized update in parents' classes. The next, enables method overriding for customized subclass behavior. And lastly, support scalable, extensible design using polymorphism. So guys, I have a code to para mapakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano gumagana yung ating inheritance. So ito. Okay. So dito, meron tayong ginawa ditong code. Itong class animal na to guys, ito yung tinatawag nating parent class, right? Then nagset siya dito ng initialize self name. Dun sa baba na ito naman yung tinatawag nating child class, na kung saan kung ano ang meron sa parent class ay pwede nyo din magamit. So, ang parent class ay merong generic animal. Then, ang ating child class ay may dog at yung ano niya ay body. Then, try natin sila. I-run natin yung code. Then, charan! Body barks. Then, generic animals make sound. So, yun lang guys. Sana may natutunan kayo ngayon sa ating lesson. Thank you and goodbye.